I'm right here, guys. All right, guys. Hello, everyone. It's Yuri teacher time. Hello, boys and girls. Yuri teacher is back with all the L blending words today. Yes. And last week, too, we learned all the L blending words. Yes or no? Yes, right? All right, so we're going to go over all the blending words together with Yuri teacher. So are you guys ready? Yes. What do you say when I say, are you guys ready? You have to say, yes, I'm ready. And you guys should remember all the class rules by now, right? So we're gonna have a little competition, video competition, probably after the summer vacation. So be prepared, okay? All right, so everybody, this week, we're going to go over all the L blending words. So are you guys really ready? Yes? So let's go over from BL sounds first, okay? Everybody, how does B sound like? B, right? What about L? How does L sound like? Oh, right? How, but like, you know, if we're gonna say the words together, like B and O sound. How does BL sound like? BL. I think some of you, I think Sophia, I think it was Sophia, I don't know. Sophia, I think Sophia told me this is blah, 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 blah. Yeah? Yes? Yeah, it's blah, but you have to say bull, okay? So BL, blah, 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 BL, bull, 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 okay? Bull, okay? Bull. Got it? All right, so let me see. What about, how does FL sound like? F sounds like, right? Right? Full, not pull. Full. Got it? All right, so what about this is SL? Soul. Got it. All right, so let's go over all the BL sounds first, okay? Where's my BL sounds cards? It's right here. Hold on, it's right here. Okay, so ready? Ready or not? I'm just gonna start. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna cover this. This is, everybody, this is bull. This is ek. That's 8. So this is bull, ek. Black. Got it? Yes? Bull, ek, black. Easy. All right, so what about this one? This is bull. This is magic E with the long A sounds, right? With the D. A-D, right? What about, let's put it together. Bull, A-D, blade. Bull, A-D, blade. Got it? And what about this one? This is a bull, block. Block. Got it. Yes. All right, so this is block. All right, so isn't it easy just to read all the words? Yes? All right, so let's go over the full sounds first, okay? Full. We're gonna go over full sounds words this time. All right, so what is this? A full up. What is flap in Korean? What is flap in Korean? You know what it is, right? All right, so full up, flap. Full up, flap. And this is a full egg, flag. Full egg, flag. This is a flute. What is it? Flute. Woot with the magic E. Long U sounds. Flute. Got it? All right, so wasn't it easy, guys? All right, so what about the last words? SL. Soul. All right, so SL sounds are easy. This is sled. Sled. You guys love to ride a sled, right? And what about this one? Sleep. What is sleep? Risha loves to sleep. what about this one? The slide, 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 slide. Got it? All right, so everybody, this is so easy, right? Yes or no? So easy. From last week, we learned all the PL and GL and what was CL sounds together, right? So you have to remember all the L blending words, okay, guys? All right, so I think today I'm going to call out. I don't know who I'm going to call out, so just wait and see who's going to come out, okay? So everybody, have a great weekend with your mommy and daddy. And I'll see you guys next Monday with your homework. I heard it's going to rain a lot over the weekend, so be careful wherever you go, or just stay home, okay? So guys, have a great weekend with your mommy and daddy, and I'll see you guys next week, okay? All right, so Kevin, are you ready?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I'm ready. Don't do that. Okay, so Kevin, Okay, so Kevin, I heard your mommy said you don't remember the words when you go home. Okay, so let's see if you can see the picture and then you can read the word. Your teacher's gonna see, okay? Okay, so Kevin, what is the slide?
Slide.
Slide. What is slide in Korean?
미끄럼틀.
Very good. What about this? Sled.
Sled.
Sled. Very good. What about this? Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
Thank you. What is this? Black.
Black.
Black. Very good. What is this? Block.
Block.
Block. What about this? A blade.
Blade.
Oh, blade. What is blade?
Blade. Blade.
Blade. What is blade? Ouch. What is this?
Come on.
Yeah, very good. What is a flag?
Flag.
Flag. Very good. What is flap?
Flag.
Flap. Very good. What about this? A flute.
Flute.
Flute. Very good. All right. So you did an excellent. You have to remember the words, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Let's
Yes.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. F-L. Very nice. Okay, so let me see if you can read all the words, okay? So, this is slide.
Slide.
Slide, very good. What about the sled?
Slide.
Sled, very good. What about
Slide. Slide.
I don't think so. This is sleep.
Gorilla.
Wake up, wake up. Sleep.
Sleep.
Very good. What is black?
Black.
Oh, very good. What is
Black.
blade?
Blade.
Blade. Flag.
Blade.
Flag. Flip.
Black.
Flat. Very good. Flute.
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 Yeah. Da da da.
Bye-bye. Oh, high five. You're gonna dance like that. Dance more. Dance, 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 dance. Okay, so Sawyer, say hello, mommy and daddy.
Hello, mommy and daddy.
Today, Sawyer teacher will give us the dictation part of your homework number 1 through 6, so you guys have to focus more, okay? Because Sawyer's voice is not that loud. Okay, so Sawyer, are you ready? Yes. Such a smile. Okay, so let's see if you can say the words or not. Okay, so everybody, here we go. Number one is sleep. Very good. Sleep. Sleep. Very good. Sleep. Sleep. Very good. Number 1 is sleep. Okay? sleep, 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 sleep. Number 2, everybody, number 2 is full words, okay? Flag. Flag. Very speak louder, please. Let me hear your voice. Flag. Flag. Very good. I want to show your face. You have such a cute smile. Let me see if I can see your face, and everybody can see your face, right? Okay, so here. Flag. Flag. Very good. Flag. Number 2 is flag. Number 2. Flag. Flag. Number 2. And number 3 is block. 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 Number 3 is block. 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 All right. So number 4, right? Number 4. Number 4 is slide with the magic E. Yes, very good. Slide. Slide. Slide with the magic E. Okay, long I sounds. Slide. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is flap. Flap. Very good. Flap. Flap. Very good. Flap. Flap. Very good. Flap. Number 5. And number 6. Number 6. Number 6 is blade. 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 Blade with the magic E. Blade. Blade. Number 6 is blade. Got it. Very good, Sayu. So, Sawyer, how does FL sound? Like FL, FL? SL, SL? BL, BL? Oh, thank you, Sawyer teacher. You're going to have such a great weekend with your mommy and daddy, okay? Alright? So say bye-bye, mommy and daddy. And bye-bye, grandma. Grandma, she picks you up every day. So say, I love you, grandma. Say, give her a kiss. You're gonna do it. Give them a kiss like this. Okay, let's just go. Here we go. Is this way or this way? There you go. Let's go back to the class. Say bye-bye, mommy. Let's go.